So today I'm going to today I'm going to discuss or report about the frequency and the importance of prenatal visit. So first is we're going to discuss about the timing contraction so that we can understand properly or clearly about the frequency. So first is the timing contraction will help you and your healthcare provider track what is happening. So you will need to know how long your contraction lasts, which is the duration, and how close together they are, which is the frequency. So duration is time from when you first feel a contraction until it is over. So this time is usually measured in seconds. So next is the frequency. It's time from the start of one contraction to the start of the next. So it includes the contraction as well as the rest period until the next contraction begins. So this time is measured in minutes. Next. So we have an example in here. So first we have the 30 seconds. That's the start of the duration until the 1 minute. 1 minute. So we have the 30 seconds duration. So next is we're going to define the frequency. So the start of the frequency is and the 30 seconds. So until it goes to the second contraction. So the start of the second the contractions is the five 5 minutes. So when we're going to measure the frequency, is we're going to start from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. So we have 5 minutes and 30 seconds frequency. So next is the prenatal visit. So what is the meaning of prenatal visit? So prenatal visit, also known as prenatal care, is a type of preventive health care which which it is provided in the form of medical checkups consisting of recommendation on managing a health lifestyle and the provision of medical information. So regular appointment um, helps the doctor identify the patient may have risk or have a complications during pregnancy. So let's go to the importance of prenatal visit or care. So prenatal care can help the doctor identify patient who may have risk or complications during pregnancy and prevents potential health problems throughout the course of pregnancy and promote the mother and child health. So regular appointments with the healthcare provider also includes the education and education on pregnancy and childbirth, plus counseling and support, and also visit gave you the opportunity to ask questions. Most healthcare providers welcome their partner at each visit, as well as the interested family members. So by starting the discussion early, we are able to help the mother on her pregnancy and take steps to have the healthiest baby as possible. So frequent visits with the healthcare provider allow the pregnant mother to follow the progress of development of the baby. So this is the references. So that's all. Thank you for today.